Changing the compact track loader teeth here. And they call it a 23 or 230. Pretty good deal on eBay. I don't know how other guys do it. I take something like this, like the Cat 943 old pen. Usually use vice grips, but grab it like that. Bump it a couple times to get through the tooth. And I swap over to my bolt that I just had that vanished. Probably fell through my floor maybe. Well, good at stuff walking off. I usually do a 3/8 bolt, get through the shank hole. No, not there. Alright. Oh, damn. Well, I don't know where the damn thing went. There it is. I was right. It did fall through the floor. Okay. Back to what I was saying. Use something like this, like a 1/2 inch size. Get a start on it just to get through to the shank, because 1/2 inch won't go to the shank. Go to 3/8 bolt. Nice to have some hearing protection. That guy don't want to come out of there. There we go. Most of them aren't like that. They're like that. Alright. Clean it out. And you'll see on here how that says back. So it's my understanding, put the smooth back to the back. Again, I usually use vice grips. Squeeze the side you drive in.
That's probably a pretty decent one there you found.